Hello, welcome to Hypermotor's video of our 2019 Range Rover. This is a Vogue SE model, finished in an optional extra Carpathian grey metallic. It's got full black interior. It's got some nice optional upgrades. Driver's Pro Pack, which includes the adaptive cruise control. It's got heated steering wheel, heated front and rear seats, electric memory front seats. It's got the Kalahari interior trim. It's got the panoramic roof, reverse camera, front and rear parking sensors, Meridian sound system, genuine one owner car, very low mileage, only 13,000 miles, just over. It's got the matrix headlights, the signature design. Any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call or give us an email. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.